how you can draw in your Figma project. So open your Figma project, and down here in this bottom menu bar, now it's selected to this option. And if you want to draw, simply click this one. And now you can change or set the tool which you want to use. So for example, the draw or pencil. And also you can use the shortcut, which is Shift+P. And you can set the color, for example, black, and the thickness of the pencil. On the right, you can also set the style of that draw, for example, this, and simply draw your drawing or draw to your shape like you want. Also, you can use the brush option, also select the color. You can choose the style, the thickness, the brushes. For example, this is the beautiful one, and simply brush like you want. And you can customize and add another styles to your frames. So that's basically it. If you want to remove that, you can just click that shape and press Command+X, and you're gonna remove that. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.